Today I am making creamy garlic shrimp. This is an easy recipe to follow and oh so delicious. Let's get started. The ingredients are garlic chopped very fine, fresh shrimp, grated Parmesan, olive oil, heavy cream, white wine, and butter. I didn't list it here, but you will also need to pick your favorite seasoning. I prefer Cajun seasoning for your shrimp. I have all my ingredients prepped right at my fingertips, and now this prepping will take the stress out of your cooking. First, we're going to add the butter. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I happen to have garlic olive oil, but use a good quality olive oil. I've set my stove to a medium-high heat, and we're going to wait for the butter to melt. So we're almost there on the heat. In just a moment, I'll start adding shrimp. Let's see. I have pre-seasoned these shrimp with my favorite Cajun seasoning, Cat Daddy's, which a cousin makes in Lafayette. Let's see. Yes. I'm not cooking the shrimp all the way through, but we are searing on both sides. Now I'm going to remove the second batch of shrimp. I'm going to turn the heat down from medium-high to medium. Add the garlic. This is called garlic shrimp, so there's a lot of garlic. I added 2 additional tablespoons of butter. Saute this for about 2 minutes. I am going to add about 1/2 cup of white wine. And I'm going to do this until it almost all evaporates. And I'm going to get all those nice little pieces of brown shrimp up from there. We'll cook this until the wine evaporates. All right, I've deglazed the pan, and almost all of the white wine has been evaporated. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit, and I'm going to slowly add the cream. I had 2 cups here, but I may not use all of that. We'll see. Got quite a few shrimp, so I may use it. I am going to use the other cup of cream. Bring this up to a good temperature, and then I'm going to add Parmesan. All right, now I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. I'm going to taste this for seasoning. That's good. I'm going to turn the heat down, and I'm going to add the shrimp back in. Some juice, we want that juice. That'll just add more flavor to the dish. This is going to be served over angel hair pasta, and we will garnish it with a little more Parmesan and some fresh parsley.